What's up everybody, and welcome to IGL Coatings Australia. It's been a very long time since I have had the opportunity to do a video about a product, and today I'm going to be talking about one of the best things that's happened this year, which is the release of IGL Trim version 2.0. Many people would know that we have had a trim coating for a long time, and it was a ceramic coating designed to protect plastic trims from the sun, stains and fading. However, what makes this product special is that it is now able to restore the faded plastic trim of any color. It is not a dye, it is a restoration coating. So you can apply it onto black, gray, yellow, orange, whatever you want, white, whatever color trim inside and outside of your vehicle, and it will restore the color and then protect it for many, many years. Now, I'm not a scientist. I can't go through the ins and outs of how this product works, but what I can tell you is that we tested the prototype of this product about 2 years ago now in Malaysia when we did our IGL Australia Malaysia trip, and we were blown away at how good it was, and IGL still didn't release it. They waited and waited and waited, and they validated it, and since then they actually partnered up with Petronas Petroleum and added Petronas graphene into the formula, and IGL has been fortunate enough to partner up with that and share technology. So this product is amazing. All you need to do to apply it is put some product onto the supplied applicator cloths and blocks, put it onto your faded trim, whether it's a snorkel, your towing mirrors, your factory mirrors, your front and rear bumpers, whatever it is. Any faded plastic trim inside and out of your vehicle, apply it on nice and even and walk away. It is as simple as that. And because it's so easy and simple to use, with this version 2, I have made the decision in Australia to allow public purchase of this product. It is still a professional coating. It is still available through your certified applicator network in Australia, but because it is so easy and simple to use, it's now available for anybody to buy. So jump on, go online and buy it. We do have limited stock of this. The 30ml kit comes with everything you need to apply it, which is the one I recommend for DIY application or first-time users. You get the product, you get the applicator block, the cloths, and a bunch of gloves. And it's as simple as that to use. You can purchase the 100ml, which is better value for money, but that is more suitable for your certified applicators that already have plenty of cloths and blocks to apply this product. How much does 30ml go? Well, put it this way, it'll probably do 4 full cars. It goes a very long way. So 30ml will quite easily do your car, do your partner's car, and maybe even your mum and dad's. And by car, I'm talking about window cowl and the front windscreen, mirrors, probably front and rear bumpers, side steps, snorkels. If you have a 4x4 with a faded snorkel, you can pretty much coat any plastic trim. Durability wise, it is actually the first product in the world that is validated to last years, not months. So normally you put on some dye or some plastic coating, it might look amazing for a couple of months until the oils wear out. This thing will last probably 2 to 3 years, if not more. So go for it. It is available online to purchase in Australia for anybody who wants it. Other countries, I don't know. It just depends on their certified applicator program. But yeah, cannot recommend this any higher. Super easy to apply. So go for it and enjoy. And thank you for watching.